Hi guys, one setup a day, poor keep me away. Two setup a day, reach not far away. Welcome back to the channel Supply and Demand Mastery. Today this video we are going to learn about the confirmation. Right, so let's see. So this is one of the pair. So all the drawing here, this is the previous one of the chapter. We learned about the mechanical advanced market structure. So for the every arrow here is all the valid high and low. So without this, we don't know where is the trading range and where is the real chop happens. So with this, very obvious, we know this is the uptrend. And where the trend reversal, when the chalk's change of character happen, this will be the trend reversal. So once the trend reversal happens, then we are going to look for the supply zone, right? We can look for all the supply zone, alright? No matter which time frame, you can mark all the supply zone that which are still in fresh. So for example, right here, after the chalk, the nearest supply zone we have is right here. This is one of the H1 supply zone with our Doji King as well. Right, so I know this is one of the potential sell zone. But when the price falls back to the zone, right, then what we can look for to increase our win rate is to look for the confirmation. Then I will go into the lower time frame. You can check in M5, M1 or even M15, no problem. Alright, all the time frame we can take a look. So this is the zone that I mark in the H1, right? So but the H1 zone right here we have around 16 pips, right? 16 pips. So in this 16 pips zone, so if you think this is affordable to you, then you can immediate entry without a confirmation, right? But if you are more conservative and you want to be safe, then we can look for the confirmation. So confirmation, we got few type of method, alright? So for me, at least 3 type of confirmation I have. So one of the common confirmation that I'm always using is about the price action. Alright, so price action is we straight away look for the candles. Right, looks for the candles. Is it have the reversal pattern? Alright, so what we want to see when the price first time enter the zone, we want to see the rejection. Right, we want to see a rejection here. This is a very important key, alright? This is a keyword, rejection. So right here, we can see first rejection, second rejection, right? And after the second rejection, right here, actually is type of the bearish engulfing, right? This is type of a bearish engulfing. And when the price falls back into the zone once again for the third times, right, for the third times, then finally the price have rejected far away from the zone. You see, so right here, this is the last engulfing as well. Then we can see the momentum very strong and break the structure. Alright, you see, this is another break of this structure. So this is the second confirmation we have. Right, so first confirmation we have the rejection from the price action. Right, so we want to see either a double top, triple top, or double bottom, triple bottom for the demand zone. Alright, so since this is a supply zone, so we want to see for this type of double top or triple top. After the rejection, then the second confirmation will be the last support right here have break the structure. So this is the first entry that we can try after the double bottom here, since we have a rejection with the bearish engulfing. Alright, so if you miss out for this entry, Nobody. There will be another second entry for us again, but of course the entry will be lower. Right, so right here you can see this is where the break of structure happens, and the price have leave a zone behind. Alright, this is the supply zone in M5. Right, so this is the zone. So when the price doing a sideways and enter again to the zone, then this is second entry for us to make the short. Once again, can you see? When the price enter into the zone, alright, what we want to see? We want to see a rejection. Alright, this is a very important. So you must know the candlestick language, guys. So once you understand, we found the rejection here, then yes, second times we can re-enter again. If you miss the first rejection, right, then we can see the price straight away push the price away, far away from the zone, far behind, away from the zone. Then another pullback retracement again. So this is what type of the setup. Alright, this is also one of the setup that we have learned before. If you remember, this is a RBS setup. Alright, this is one of the RBS setup. Alright, so this is a line chart. We know right here we have the base, alright, the support. So support become resistant, push the price away, and have another break of structure again. So once the price have a break of structure, every time when the price do a new break of structure, then again we look for what? Look for all the available supply zone, right? All the available supply zone we have. Just mark the zone and wait for the price to re-enter the zone again. Alright. If you want more safer, then you just wait for the confirmation. Or if you are able to take some risk, then you can enter into the zone immediately. Alright, just make sure you have to stick with your stop loss. That's it. So right here, the price just now we have reject from this supply. Alright, we have rejected from this supply. Alright, this is one of the supply. Alright, then this supply react, push again the price to create a lower low. So for the bearish scenario, for the downtrend, we can see the price is keep doing what? Doing a lower low, right? Then we just have to focus all the valid supply zone at the above, at the top level, right? Until when the next shock happen, then only we start to switch our position from the seller to buyer. Right, that's it. Then we can see some example again. Can you see momentum lower, lower, lower. Alright, since this is a lower time frame, then we back into the H1. We back into the H1. We have to see the higher time frame, the overall, the big picture. Alright, the big picture, how the price is going. Alright, so this is all the key level. Alright, so all the valid high cannot be break. Once it's break, then here will be the change of character happens. Right, didn't break, then the next valid high, same, didn't break, then this is a new valid high. Then the price have created a new lower low again. So this is the last valid low, lower low. You see, when the price break this level, so what it is? This is the chalk. Alright, this is where the chalk happens. So when the chalks happen, right now we know we are looking for what? We are looking for all the demand zone. Alright, so this is one of the demand zone available. But the price it didn't respect. Alright, the price didn't respect and break through the zone right here. Then let's see again, is there any supply available? Right, better we look for the fresh supply will be the best. Yeah, we look for the fresh zone will be the best, because the fresh zone is the strong zone. But of course we have three type of the different strength of the zone. Alright, for me I have a strong zone, stronger zone, and strongest zone. So different zone will have a different criteria. So for a very basic and simple zone, we call it as a strong zone, right? So strong zone is a fresh zone, an unmitigated zone. So I make some remark here to let you to remember strong zone, right, equal a fresh or unmitigated zone. Right, so remember this, this is the strong zone. Of course we have the others, stronger zone and stronger zone, but this video we are just talking about the look for the confirmation. Alright, so right here you see this is one of the demand zone. Right here also got one of the demand zone. Alright, but this demand zone it didn't respect as well and break through again. Alright, it didn't respect as well. So for us, the zone right here actually not very good, or the zone right here is not very good. Alright, as I can see, the best zone should be here. Alright, this doji, this H1 demand doji, this will be the good zone. Right, but since the price have some pause around this zone, then we can go and check again in lower time frame, see what the price is doing here. Right, what the price is doing here. So first rejections happens, yes. Second rejection. Right, second rejection. So we can take some risks when the price have a rejection here, unable to break through. Right, but for the best, what we want to see is wait for this level breakthrough. Alright, because we can see right here, this is a very important resistance level. Once it's breakthrough by this level, then wait for the pullback, look for any fresh demand, then we can continue to buy it. Alright, so this is the confirmation that we are talking about. Alright, so if you have no confidence when the price will have a reversal here, just simple, alright, delete the zone and look for the next strong zone. Alright, if you want a perfect actually there is no perfect, but if you want to get a high win rate, a nice setup, then you have to be patient and wait for the confirmation. Alright, so confirmation we can get in from any time frame. Alright, M1, even M3, M5 or M15. Alright, since our high time frame we are using the H1, so as long as the lower time frame, the time frame for our confirmation is below the H1 time frame, then it's good enough. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you learned some things from here, and don't forget, if you not yet subscribe our video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. So we see you again in our next video. Thank you and bye bye.